wash our hands, right? It is very important that you come home whenever, even if you go outside your house to your neighbor's house, there might be somebody who's having some sort of cold or cough, or somebody having some fever, which we might not know that it might be COVID, or even other simple flu, which is very, infectious, especially in this rainy season. You have to be very careful that whenever you come from out, you should thoroughly wash your hands with soap and water. You must change your clothes. You must live a healthy life. You must eat healthy food, especially this junk, chocolates, chips. They make our body more weak. We should try and have a healthy food, build our immunity so that even if the virus wants to attack us, it cannot attack us. It says, oh no, he's so strong, we can't attack him, and he goes back away from your place. Okay? So you should try to make yourself healthy, and very important is to make a prayer in the morning. Whenever you get up in the morning, you should pray to God that, oh God, save me and my family and everybody on this earth from the pandemic. And please remove this pandemic so that we can all go to school back again. You all must be missing the break, the recess. Definitely, I miss sending my son to school. And he enjoys playing, running, and jumping on that sticks of his, right? And risking his life there, no problem. But he wants to be there, right? So I'm sure all of you want to be there and push each other and hit each other and then cry and complain. But that is life of school, which everybody enjoys. So we all pray to God that God, please remove this pandemic fast so that we can all get up in the morning and go back to school, right? I wish you all a very safe and a healthy life, and to all your families as well. And thank you so much, Miss, that you gave me a chance to give them something, at least give some information to them. And Miss, God save you and your family from all this pandemic.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Lovely speech you give us,
No problem
lovely
at all.
guidelines you give us. Thank you, ma'am.
And I hope it helps. I hope everybody follows it. I mean, everybody keeps on giving, but it's very important to follow it.
Yeah,
So,
yeah, that's very true. That's very true. Okay, boys. So here we have made one PPT. So I'm sharing a PPT with you all, a small PowerPoint presentation. In that, to make this PPT, two boys from our class, they helped me. One is Rudra Jadhav and one is Hussein, Dr. Zeenat's son. Okay, so enjoy this PPT. Happy Doctor's Day. Doctor is a person who can be a friend of each family member. That I asked you just now. Ask your mama, dada, who is a family member, who is a family doctor, right? And wish your doctor. Don't just ask. Wish. Message him. If you can't call, please message him. At least one message. He can feel good, that wow, my patient is calling me, my patient is giving a message to me for the doctor's day. So please message your doctor, call your doctor, family doctor, wish him happy Doctor's Day. Okay, this is one prayer from our student, Master Rudra Jadhav. Join your hands,
Loving
boys. Join your hands. And this is a prayer for our doctors.
God, we place into our care all our doctors, nurses, and healthcare workers. Give them courage of heart and strength of mind and body. Keep them safe of harm. May they know our deep gratitude for all they are doing to heal and help those if affected by the coronavirus. God of all the consolation, may they know your protection and peace. Bless them in these challenging days and bless their families. Amen.
Okay, now Master Hussein Merchant, he is giving the importance of 1st July. Okay.
Very good morning to one and all, respected Principal Reverend Father Jude,
Supervisor Mrs. Annette, teachers, and all my dear friends. I, Hussain Raza Merchant from Standard 5A, am here to present some information about a very special day. Yes, you're right. It's Doctor's Day. First of all, I would like to wish all a very good morning to one and all. Very good morning to one and all. Respected Principal Reverend Father Jude, Supervisor Mrs. Annette, teachers, and all my dear friends. I, Hussain Raza Merchant from Standard 5A, am here to present some information about a very special day. Yes, you're right. It's Doctor's Day. First of all, I would like to wish all the amazing doctors who play a very important role in our society a very happy Doctor's Day. Friends, 1st July is celebrated as Doctor's Day in India. This day is actually celebrated in India to honor one of the greatest physicians, Dr. Bidhan Chandra Roy. He was also the second Chief Minister of West Bengal and has made many invaluable contributions in this field. He was born and also passed away on the same day in 1962 at the age of 80 years. He was also honored with India's highest civilian award, the Bharat Ratna. Dear friends, it is truly said that we cannot see God on this earth, but a doctor is sent by God to cure us and make us live our lives in a better way. This day gives us an opportunity to sincerely thank all the physicians and doctors for all that they do for the society as a whole. Dearest doctors, thank you so much for all your hard work and support during these difficult times. You are all indeed men of honor who risk your lives and those of your families so that we can stay safe. We will pray to God to always give you all success and betterment. Thank you.
Thank you, Rudra, and thank you, Hussein, for the lovely speech. Now, one more, we have a Dr. Anmol Jindal. So he has given a speech, lovely message for you all. Even he thanked you. He has sent a thank you message to you all.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Anmol Jindal and I have studied from Christian Medical College, Vellore. I am currently working as ICU in charge in a government hospital here in Palwal. So let me begin by thanking you guys for recognizing our efforts and celebrating this Doctor's Day with us. It really helps as a positive reinforcement for all of us, all the healthcare workers. So this pandemic has been really tough on us and we as a society have really stood up together. But remember, the fight is not over yet. We have to continue to follow the COVID protocols and I cannot overemphasize the importance of wearing a mask. You have to make sure that everyone in your family and your surrounding wears a mask. In the end, I would want to say that this profession is really noble and I hope you guys, all of you, your young kids, you guys follow your passion, and if anyone wants to take up medicine, you're most welcome. Thank you and a happy Doctor's Day. Thank you.
Boys, this is a song which I have selected for the Doctor's Day from on YouTube channel. So see the words. The words are so nice, so pure. Okay.
दिन रात दौड़ती इस दुनिया में, क्या तुम्हें अपनी परवाह भी है? औरों की खुशी में खुश हो तुम, क्या इससे ज्यादा कुछ चाह भी है? नम आँखों की मुस्कान हो, तब त्याग की पहचान हो, उम्मीदें हो सबकी दिलासे हो तुम। खुदा तो नहीं पर खुदा से हो तुम, खुदा तो नहीं पर खुदा से हो तुम। जो वक्त तुम्हारा हिस्सा था शायद पल उसका जिया नहीं, जो ख्वाब तुम्हारा किस्सा था छूटा तो शिकवा किया नहीं। तुमने ही दी रिश्तों को धड़कने, तुमने ही की हल सभी उलझने, हर नफ्स की रफ्तार तुम, हमदर्द लगे हर बार तुम, ज़मीं के फरिश्ते दुआ से हो तुम। खुदा तो नहीं पर खुदा से हो तुम, खुदा तो नहीं पर खुदा से हो तुम, खुदा तो नहीं पर खुदा से हो तुम, खुदा तो नहीं पर खुदा से हो तुम।
Okay, boys. So I hope you heard the lyrics. खुदा से नहीं, खुदा तो नहीं, but खुदा से हो तुम. Right? Doctors are playing a very important role in our life. So this is one. This is one small message in Marathi. डॉक्टर दिवस आपल्यावर आलेले विघ्न हरणारे. विघ्न मीन्स व्हॉट? डिफिकल्टीज, प्रॉब्लेम्स, संकट. चालते बोलते ईश्वर, भगवान, अल्लाह, जीसस म्हणजेच डॉक्टर. सर्व डॉक्टरांना राष्ट्रीय डॉक्टर दिनाच्या हार्दिक शुभेच्छा. थँक यू मेसेज फ्रॉम माय स्टुडंट्स. 1 minute, I'm adding. What happened? A thank you message from our students. Thank you so much to all doctors for everything you have done for us to keep healthy and safe. Thank you so much, doctors, for being much more than just a doctor. Doctor always plays an important role in everyone's life. He's a counselor, he's a guide, he's a philosopher. You go anytime, you ask for a help, they never says no. Doctors are extraordinary human beings. Thanks a lot to all hardworking doctors for showing so much care and concern. Thank you so much once. Thank you so much once again. So I hope Hussein's mom, Dr. Zeenat, and the Sumer is the brother. He is not here with us now. He is gone on duty. So thank you
Yes,
very
one more
much for
thing. Excuse
taking
me.
care.
Miss, even Ali Mehdi's mom is a doctor.
Whose mom, ma'am? I will stop the.
Ali Mehdi. Ali Mehdi Jamati in your class.
Ali Mehdi. Ali Mehdi, are you there, beta?
Yes,
Hanzala,
miss.
Hanzala Yasir. Ali Mehdi, are you here?
Yes, miss.
Where are you? Ali Mehdi, your mama mama is at home or in the clinic or in the hospital.
Miss at home.
So please call her, beta.
Okay, miss.
Yeah. Thank you, Dr. Zeenat, for giving us information about Ali Mehdi's mom. Yes, ma'am.
No problem.
Happy
Yeah, hello, ma'am.
Doctors
Good
Day.
morning.
Yeah, happy
Yeah, thank you
Doctors
so much.
Day.
Yeah, thank you so much.
And thanks a lot for joining. I'm extremely sorry I was not knowing that you are also
No, no, that's fine.
Dr. Zeenat.
Thank you,
Because-
Dr. Zeenat.
Because I
No problem at
Yeah, I
all.
was attending the session, yes.
Uh,
Since morning, I was online only. Actually, I want to leave now. So that's why I'm a little bit in a hurry. That's the reason.
no problem, no problem. Enjoy your day. Take a break at least
Yeah,
this
thank
day. I know doctors can't be on break, but take a break. Ma'am, it's your day.
Yeah, we have a celebration at our hospital,
Okay.
COVID
Which
hospital. We have a celebration today.
Okay. Which hospital are you?
Jumbo COVID Center.
COVID center. My God, very
COVID Center,
risky.
yeah. I'll see, yeah.
Very risky.
And also JJ Hospital.
Okay. Take care. Take care.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am.
And Doctor.
Thank you
ma'am,
so
your
much
name?
for arranging such a wonderful session for us.
Thank you. Doctor, what's your name?
Dr. Asma.
Dr.
Asma.
Asma. Okay. Take care and have a lovely day.
Yeah.
Dr. Zeenat, you are
Yes,
working.
miss.
You are working in which hospital?
I'm not working in any hospital. I am just consulting online.
Okay.
After my 2 kids, I have left going to the clinic because I need to give them attention. So
Correct.
I just consult patients online.
Correct. But still you are working.
Yeah,
You are
always.
You are not on break. Okay. Shumel, where is he? Shumel? Yeah. Beta, your brother is working in which hospital?
He's in Pune, actually finished his MBBS and he's doing internship. His hospital is a COVID center and he's your student. So we thank you all teachers so that today he's there.
Just wish on behalf of us happy Doctor's Day to him because he's not here now. Just wish him. And don't
Thank
you feel scared that your son, elder son, is going to the hospital during this pandemic? So when
No,
he comes back to
he has selected the profession, so he has to go.
okay, so nice. Okay, boys. So please, it's a kind request to everyone. Even in the morning, I wished my doctor, my son's doctor, Dr. Chirag Rathod, he's a homeopathic doctor. I wished him. Even my son sent him a audio message. So do that. You know, they will feel nice, right? So please take a contact number from your parents, wish your doctor, wish in, if you have a WhatsApp group. Now you all know that we have 3 doctors in a group, right? If a WhatsApp group, I am not there officially, it's banned. But if you are there on a WhatsApp group, you all know that there are 3 doctors, Dr. Zeenat, Dr. Asma, and Shumel. What is your brother's name, beta?
Dr. Shehroz.
Doctor?
Dr. Shehroz Nagdawala.
Shehroz, Dr. Shehroz. Okay, so Dr. Shehroz, these 3 doctors we are having in a group. So right now, after this meeting, you are going to text your doctors. Okay, happy Doctor's Day. You can make a beautiful card, send it, take a picture, a small card. You can do it in a free period. Okay, but send it in a group, write down the names of doctors, send the same card to your family doctor. Okay, I hope you enjoyed today's session. Today is a small celebration. Okay, once again, happy Doctor's Day to all amazing doctors. So enjoy your day. Today is your day, so take a break. Okay, boys? Yeah, so see you in the next meeting, Marathi class. Okay, and what we have done, what we have learned today, what information we got, that everything you said, you note it down and post it in a group, WhatsApp group, so the others can realize that, oh shit, I have missed the today's session. Okay, so once again, happy Doctor's Day and have a great day. Chal. Can I end the meeting, ma'am? Instead of ma'am, I'll say doctors. Because
No,
that
no.
sounds very good. And instead of ma'am, I'll call you all doctors now. Even one more doctor we are having, Dr. Farida Patel. Now her son passed SSC this last year. So on one single call, that lady used to come in school to help students, to help teachers. Even we were getting a problem. We used to get a problem. She used to come to school. So, we know the value of doctors in our life. Okay. So take care. Have a lovely day. Bye-bye.
Thank you so much, Miss.
Bye, Miss. Thank you, Miss.
Bye. See you in Marathi class. Okay.
Bye, Miss.
Bye-bye.
Bye, Miss. Thank you, Miss.